Hello, my name is Christian and I'm the CEO of Curated Culture. Thank you for being here today. 2 in 5 people globally suffer from gut health issues. This can range from indigestion, diarrhea, to constipation. Taking probiotics can alleviate these symptoms, but current probiotic solutions are either inconvenient or unhealthy. Gut health is a growing problem, as we can see with the growing demand for probiotics globally. We have the solution for your gut health. For the first time ever, we are introducing probiotic coffee and probiotic tea, made with our proprietary fermentation technology that enables growth of probiotics in unfavorable conditions. For this, we have 2 patents filed. Each bottle contains more than 1 billion live and active probiotics. These live and active probiotics are more beneficial than the inactive form found in pills. Our shelf life is 2 times longer compared to other fermented beverages. And what is unique to us is that we do not require refrigeration. Our drinks are sugar-free, dairy-free, calorie-free, vegan, and keto-friendly. The global market size for coffee and tea is estimated to be $6.5 billion. Our launch market in Singapore is sized at nearly $60 million. We will be launching in Singapore, serving our beverages in bulk format for customers to serve in stores such as cafes, bakeries, and bubble tea shops. In store, our products will be sold ready to serve. From a consumer's perspective, our products will be co-branded with our B2B customers. This co-branding will help us build up our own brand awareness. Our key milestones are that we will launch in Q1 next year with our first food service partner. And by the end of next year, we will reach at least a minimum of 95 stores in Singapore. Further growth will be achieved by introducing our bottled product range and expanding into Southeast Asian markets. This is the team behind Curated Culture. In the core team, we have Charmaine, who is managing operations, and Shuwen, our fermentation expert. Thanks to the support by NUS, we have an experienced team of advisors behind us. Currently, we are working together with 3 F&B businesses to launch our products in their stores. Together, they have over 120 outlets in Singapore, and we are already receiving our first orders. We are looking for investors, contract manufacturers, as well as customers to grow and scale our business with us. The key takeaways for today are that we have an innovative technology to integrate probiotics into daily beverages. We are receiving our first orders, and our business model is highly scalable, asset-light, as well as protected through our patented technology. Thank you, and let's catch up over coffee.
And we've just heard from Christian Evitsen Puch, the Chief Executive Officer of Curated Culture.
Thank you.
Welcome, Christian. So what made you decide to start a probiotic coffee and tea company?
Well, it comes down to personal gut health. It's a very important topic for everyone. Many people are suffering from gut health issues, and we wanted to find a solution that we can integrate into daily life.
So, there are a bunch of probiotic technologies, but what makes your technology and your fermentation product unique from other technologies on the market right now?
So, probiotics, like us humans, need food to survive. And traditional methods typically use high amounts of sugar and are in milk-based liquids. What makes our technology unique is that we can culture probiotics in beverages without sugar or dairy. So for the first time ever, you can drink probiotic beverages such as tea and coffee that are sugar-free, dairy-free, and calorie-free.
Great to hear. And I like the part that you said calorie-free. So probiotic pill supplements tend to have, tens of billions of cells, but your company's dosage currently stands only at 1 billion. Is that sufficient?
Yes, actually it is. The thing is, probiotics in pill form are inactive. What that means is they are asleep, and when you consume them, they may not necessarily wake up. So what companies do is they add tens of billions of probiotics in there so that maybe some of them wake up. Our probiotics, on the other hand, are live and active. So when you drink our beverages, the probiotics are ready to add a health benefit directly to you.
That sounds terrific. And I'm a real coffee lover right here. So I'm just going to use this opportunity to ask you to give me a sample of your probiotic coffee or tea, please.
Sure, most definitely. I've got some tea right here for you.
So ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be testing a sample of Curated Culture's English breakfast tea. Sorry, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Excellent. Thank you so much, Christian.
Thank you very much, Juliana.
If you'd like to make an appointment to hear more about Christian's probiotic coffee and tea products and maybe get a sample yourself, please make a booking to meet him this afternoon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.